Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. UBeesize 10-foot ring light with tripod. The UBeesize 10-foot ring light with tripod is a versatile lighting kit designed for video recording and live streaming across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Featuring a front touchpad for effortless control, it offers 3 light modes: warm, cool white, and daylight, with 10 brightness levels each, giving you 33 total lighting options ideal for photography, video conferencing, and content creation. Its impressive 62-foot tripod stand extends from a compact 20 storage size to a tall 63, and can be used as both a tripod and a selfie stick, making it perfect for travel, hiking, or on-the-go shooting. The set includes useful accessories like a sturdy phone holder, a powerful wireless remote, and an AC/DC adapter, ensuring smooth operation for any recording setup. Built with high-brightness SMD LED lamp beads, the ring light offers long life, dependable performance, and excellent color rendering. UBeesize also provides a 24-month replacement warranty and lifetime after-sales support, with the package including the 10-inch ring light, 62-foot tripod stand, phone holder, wireless remote, and AC/DC adapter. Number 2. Sensyne 14-inch ring light with tripod stand. The Sensyne 14-inch ring light with tripod stand is a USB-powered LED circle light built for selfies, video recording, Zoom calls, and live streaming, featuring a sensitive touch panel control that adjusts 5 color modes: cool white, warm white, natural white, sunlight, and 10 brightness levels for precise lighting. The spring-loaded phone holder expands up to 5.3 inch to fit most smartphones with or without a case, and the included compact tripod extends from 15.7 to 50, so the setup works as a tabletop light or a full-height stand. A pocket-sized Bluetooth remote shutter lets you take photos from up to 30 feet away and is compatible with most iPhone and Android models. No app required. Note the light is rated 10W and requires a power source that provides at least 5V/2A for optimal performance. It does not include rechargeable batteries and must be plugged in during use. Number 3. UBeesize 12-foot selfie ring light. The UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light with 62 tripod stand is a complete video lighting kit engineered for creators and professionals who stream, record, or take video calls on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. The 12-inch ring houses 240 high-efficiency LEDs, 10W, that deliver bright, even illumination, about 25% more powerful than standard 10-inch models, and offers 10 brightness levels plus 5 color temperatures from 3000K to 6000K to reduce shadows and match any shooting environment. Its versatile 62-inch tripod stand converts to a selfie stick, features a 360 degrees rotatable head for portrait, landscape, or overhead angles, and is stable yet lightweight for travel. The adjustable phone holder and broad compatibility support most phones, cameras, webcams, GoPros, and tablets. The kit arrives ready to use with a Bluetooth remote, USB power cable, and all necessary mounts, and pairs wireless connectivity with USB hardware interface for power. Number 4. Weilisi 10-inch ring light with stand. The Weilisi 10-inch ring light with stand is a versatile, USB-powered lighting kit built for creators, makeup artists, streamers, and videographers, offering 38+ dynamic RGB and 3 normal color options: warm, white, daylight, plus breathing/illusory effects for creative looks. It provides stepless dimming and speed control for precise brightness from 1% to 100% in both static and dynamic modes, while the patented aluminum alloy tripod extends to a maximum of 62 inch, overall height up to 72, and locks securely for stable shooting. The included phone holder stretches to 3.3 inch to fit most smartphones, and the tripod's 1/4 inch screw thread doubles as a camera mount for broader compatibility with cameras and webcams. USB powered for convenience, recommended adapter, 5V/3A for full performance, The kit also comes with a wireless remote for distance shutter control and includes a 12-month replacement service for peace of mind, ideal as a fill light, floor lamp, studio light, or portable selfie setup. Number 5. Sensyne 10-foot ring light. The Sensyne 10-inch ring light with 50 extendable tripod stand is a USB-powered LED circle light designed for makeup, live streaming, YouTube videos, TikTok content and photography, featuring a high-sensitivity touch panel for smooth control of 3 lighting modes, cool white, warm yellow and daylight, and 10 adjustable brightness levels. Its spring-loaded phone holder extends up to 5.3 inch to fit nearly all smartphones, while the portable tripod adjusts from 15.7 to 54 both tabletop and full-height use, making it ideal for beauty work, artwork, video calls, and content creation. A Bluetooth wireless remote allows users to capture selfies or group shots from up to 30 feet away, compatible with most Apple and Android devices without downloading an app. The ring light is rated at 10W and requires a power source of at least 5V/2A for optimal performance. It must remain plugged in since it does not include rechargeable batteries.